and by the time he implemented this thing of EPWP, it's whereby la kubomasipala khona la bebafuna khona ukuthi bantu bafunze umsebenzi, then masipala akhona ukuabsorba labo bantu laba labasebawati umsebenzi. I'm one of them. If utobuka kahle msakati mahlo above, I was working under water and sanitation.
Okay.
Yes. Mahlo akazange ngidala nje. Because I was working under
EPWP.
Yeah, EPWP and plant yemandi Shibasaidin. Chlorine leyang and that's what mehlama babofu. It's whereby I've learned ukuthi no, I'm still young. Yabo. I'm still young. I've got a lot of opportunities lenga khona kusebenza khona. I've started this thing yokuthi ngilide abantu elibaka EPWP lapha eMjini ukuthi the leadership of city of Mbombela must absorb labantu labo. Because we've got bantu abadala lapha labasebenza more than 8 years. They never been absorbed. Then ngangena lapha EPWP, I told even the ukuthi labantu baka EPWP they must absorb them, not me. But labantu labasebende more than 3 years. Because they got experience. Now we're heading to mama local government
elections. Yeah.
Ungabahlupeti labantu labasebenta la EPWP. They will tell you about labo maspalati. Labo maspalati laba balidwa organization. I'm not going to be political.
Yeah.
But labo maspala laba balidwa organization is whereby like labantu laba leader labo maspala labo, they must think about labantu laba baga EPWP. Yabon, because I will tell you about the banda ba permanent laba EPWP. I will make an example ngebantu laba sebenda ga sanitation. Laba sebenda ga maspala ba permanent. If not mistaken, after 6 months baya bathatha bayoba checker ukuthi ba right emqondweni. Yabona laba ga EPWP abathathu. I will tell you ngalesikhathi mina ngikhula bantu baga sanitation bebangaqasha umuntu ongangami. It's because they knew it ukuthi lento yokusebenza ngiqolisa kuyikhuluma ngento yokusebenza ngalento yaka sanitation ayisi right, it will damage umqondo wakho. So if you can take or masipala uthi buto sebenza ngalento yaka sanitation, you will never ever do that.
Njengoba sisagcike kuyeke na kenza baka EPWP mahlebeti lengawayeva ke mina la kuthiwa ke la ke kwaba khona ke bandvu laba bese bayaqashwa permanently wabese ke wona sosusa loyo mshuqo loyo ke kanzi leyo nzaba leyo yagcinela kuphi mnakethu.
Thank you again Msakade. Yeah, sishuqile because kuqhamuka eGM okamasipala. We were promised because no, you guys, those who are working under EPWP, we will absorb you. We even signed a attended register and I've got my minutes. Lasho Guti GM once spoke about this. Then I was disappointed by the time I was being told Guti bandu baqashiwa kulanzwa umuntu ekhaya longadi ukuthi even ukuthi mandi are purifier njani. That is the problem that we are having. Yabon. Because even now if you can check here MJ yabon nyalo ngidokwendele example ngepublic works ba advertising la ka public works.
Yes. Apply abantu.
If you can check uqashwe bantu bekhamba from Hlazatshe from Nkomazi, they advertise more than 13 yebantu. Lekufuna baqashwe lamjindi. Then I found out ukuthi kuqashwe 3 yebantu lamjindi. That is the problem that I'm having. I don't have a problem noma ngaqasha noma ngabe ngibani lamjindi. Not politically so, but as long as this person is residing here in Mjindi.
Yeah.
But if utoqasha umuntu from outside, that is whereby I'm going to have a problem with you, and I'm going to have a problem with you decisively so. Yes.
Decisively so. Mnakethu sivile ke mani inzaba lekhulu leli ke kuleli viki lesibuya kulo la khona ke basebenzi laba retrenchiwe Barberton Mines labanye bakhona sebabuyele sebaqalile futhi phasi bayasebenza mnakethu kusichakisela ke ngana ke inzaba because yathi inzaba nangabe nje uTifa mani ema-tuck shop uTifa ema-barber shop Tifa mse kungahlangani ngalesi isikhathi ke kepha ngiyeva ndlebenye ukuthi nawo ngilabanye labadlala ichaza ekuthela ukuthi bomnakethu nabo thase wethu babile khona ke emsebenzini.
I will say thanks again Msakade for asking me that question. Kwekuqala nje lengizokhuluma ngizothi Barberton Mines izandla zindlula ihlombe.
Usishela iBarberton Mines ndonga ngosiyami ngonosisikhoti. Yes.
I'm a SCF member lapha eBarberton Mines. Before they did this string of retrenchment, I once advised them ukuthi Barberton Mines, I'm not disputing this thing of retrenchment, but I'm against this thing of retrenching people from Barberton. Ngafishane nje ngithi people from Umjindi. Yes, but they didn't take me serious by that time. Once again, they did and retrench bantu bala eBarberton. Then I had a problem. Uyabona mawuhlukubeta abantu bala eBarberton, ngila ngibona khona mina ngiyancipha emtimbeni kakhulu.
Okay.
Because I will tell you umsakati mina ngiSteve. Uyabona, but because of mawuhlukubeta abantu bala enjanisa eMjindi, ngila ngihlukubete kakhona kakhulu, ngiyancipha kakhulu. Then I wrote a memorandum together with Sinomcebo lohlala ngibingelele Sinomcebo lapho Ward 41 Nomcebo kwaKhumalo. We wrote a memorandum and said we are against this thing of kulambisa abantu baseMjindi, because if you retrench one person from Umjindi, mhlambe for example ngiretrench wena msakati Bhuju lapha yabona, what if ngenda ukuthi kusafari 17 families, because thine especially thine bantu besilisa sinalendo le ngiqolisa nje kuyibeka kahle, sinalendo yokujola too much.
Yes,
siyadiza.
Yeah,
yabona, what if ngidiza 17 families, bantu laba le 17 families le bakhona kubenefita under mina mangisebenza under Barberton Mines. But umuntu retrencha mina of which is one to hluphekisa 17 wemindeni la eMjindi. Then I became against the listing of retrenchment bantu bala eMjindi. Then I wrote a memorandum together with Nomcebo. We submitted to Barberton Mines, and then Barberton Mines, fortunately enough, they accepted our memorandum. Then we went to a office of the speaker of city of Mbombela, loku Nkatha, William Nkatha, loku speaker wala enjanisa eMjindi. Even though this thing was not favoring us, but Barberton Mines promised to us that we're gonna bring back those people laba retrenchiwe. Fortunately enough, thanks again Barberton Mines, bayababisela according to our agreement, bayababisela labantu, and we have been receiving reports that they are saying that they are replacing those people from Barberton, and we've got the agreement, even though that if Barberton Mines if going to lose profit, they will never ever going to retrench people from Umjindi again. That is the agreement that we have from the office of the speaker. Yes.
Yathemba ukuthi ke la ke bonke labasebini bathi bese bakunela ke la ke indume ezulu yephathi. Bakuthangele nje inkomo. Ungajabulela inkomo?
Angeke ngijabulele inkomo mina msakade. Mina kujabulela kakhulu nje ukuthi after babuyelile abasebenzi baseBarberton Mines bahloniphe umsebenzi, because eBarberton Mines, if you will check, that there's this political thing le endakalako lapha eBarberton Mines that they've been stealing gold, even though angathi ukuthi mina uyakhona ukutshontsha ekhala lakho yini. Yeah, angikwazi lokho ukuthi uyakhona ukuntshontsha ekhala lakho. Ngiyacala ukuva nje lapha eBarberton Mines ukuthi uyantshontsha ekhala lakho yini, yabona, because the problem that we are having from Barberton Mines, you can't tell us that if ungithola mina nginegolide underground, yabona, if ungithola nginegolide underground, you will tell me that I was stealing this gold because ngisebenza ngayo ngisese underground. If utothola mina nale golide outside the gate, you will tell me that I was stealing that gold.
Yeah.
But if ngisese nayo underground, you can't tell me that I was stealing that gold. Yeah, of which when we were speaking this thing of empty damned. Yabo. So lana we have been denigrated by the leadership of the Boers. That is the problem that I was having. But I will never ever criticize the Barberton Mines as long as the Barberton Mines they are doing the right thing. Bantu bemchindi nyalo le expectile kakhulu nje ukuthi if sebaqedile ngale process ek replace labantu laba beba retrenchile, we are waiting for a recruitment, not me. I'm not willing to work under
Recruitment.
I'm not willing to work under Barberton Mines because I've got a problem ukuthi lapha Barberton Mines according to my thinking ukuthi bagcokisa makarapa nje bafuna ukuthi wena lengqondo ivale ungaboni ukuthi le mali incane.
Ngicela nje ngibonge lo msebenzi leni wendako la especially kuhle ukuthi sibone abantu labasha la balwela abantu abazali abadala bethu leni balwelako kuhle nokuthi abantu babiyele emsebenzini bengingadi nami ngiyabiyela emsebenzini ngizohamba nawe sibiyele emayini la ngicela verify something before ngibuda la ngifuna kuvale nzabaya legolide bathola iemployee bayicambela manga ukuthi iyotshontsha or bayithola nale golide khona la beyisa khona la bekufuna ingayi khona la ngapha.
Thank you mlaleli. The answer that I'm going to give yourself yabo ukuthi ndophenza ngisho futhi lento le bantu base Barberton abayati ukuthi igolide ithengiswa kuphi. iBarberton Mines lene access ekuthengisa igolide. This thing ukuthi abantu base Barberton igolide bayati ukuthi ithengiswa kuphi. According to me I feel like siya undermine yabona.
Okay.
Ngiba lo wala Barberton nje lo matiko wena lone market yekuthengisa igolide. Mawuthi ngitshela ukuthi abantu basenkomazi kumbe abantu base Northwest lapha bacashe lapha emayini lapha ukuthi ngiyebona abantshontsha igolide baya kwethengisa. Labantu labo baduzane neGauteng. It's whereby le net market khona ekuthengisa igolide. La le ngicabanga ukuthi la ngibo abantu abangasitshela ukuthi igolide ethengiswa ku. Labantu base Barberton bathi lutho ngegolide lapho.
Le ngikuve kahle mawubala lo ngakangeni grade R kuphela ungenile eMandini ungenile emayini kupolitiki ungena njani?
Yo ufuna ukuchazela lento leyo yakhuluphalisana kakhulu lento leyo. Kupolitiki I was recruited by Mdumisile wakaMalambe. Ngilomnye maka ngifonela nje sinekhuluma bo 1 hour too much. I was recruited by lo make loyo wase Ward 43. She's the one who told me about politics because she shows a potential towards me. Ngwele wangirecruiter politics. It's whereby ngathanza kakhulu bo Councillor Zimba. The way is close ngakhona na Councillor Zimba. It's whereby bantu labacabanga ukuthi mina na Councillor Zimba sibakhali.
Ngiyajabula ukuthi mention Councillor Zimba washo nabuphuthi ukuthi bakufanisa naye. Mina ngiyasathi struggle semtimba wakho. Vele udivile marinza bayemjindi lekwende wancipha. So ngifuna sikhulume ngayo nje uluze weight ngenxa yenza bayemjindi wena. Abakwadi lokunyakwadi mina. Uthashile ukuthi ulwile emayini, ulwile naseMandini. Inzaba mhlambe yemjindi kuwe ikuphasenjani?
Yabona le kubuya kwemjindi. Previously 2 months ago bengise emtimba kakhulu.
Yes.
Bese ngene emtimba kakhulu kule kubuya kwemjindi. But lento yokuthi umjindi awubuyi ngiyo lengihlukubete kakhulu ngoba ngiyakwathi kuhlukubeteka kwalo masipala lo lesikuwo under City of Mbombela. Ngikhuluma nje la emjindi sina 4 water bowsers. And those people labaphethe lama water bowsers they are not residing here in Mjindi. May his soul rest in peace. Trompis wala Mjindi. Nguye umuntu lemina ngikhula ngathi yena ukuthi nguye someone lokhona ukuthi naye akhona ukubenefit lapha eCity of Mbombela. But kule City of Mbombela lesikuyo manje asinalo even official leli 1 lehlala la eMjindi. Yabona ngicela kunitshela nje mlaleli yabona kule ndo service delivery as long as we don't even have an officially la eMjindi we will never ever get a service delivery. It's whereby nam lengikhona kwehla khona kakhulu emtimbeni ukuthi hi why we are not having umjindi way to back.
Yeah.
Ngiyehla kakhulu nje emtimbeni mawukhuluma ngale ndo emjindi ngiyehla ngifuna ukukhuluma bengishaya last week nje bengishaya 42 eskalini nyalo ngishaya 28.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nakethu ukubuka la umuntu lomusha sibene abantu labadzala mhlambe yini sine lesingayiboni abantu labasha lele kwenta ukuthi ube interested ngale into zokunceda umphakathi wethu.
Yo mlaleli angeke ngikusho more ngicabanga ukuthi lento ngatalwa nayo.
Okay.
Lento inceda bantu because baningi bantu lesengibancedile ngeke ngibamention amagama abo. Labanye bakhona nje from ndokwendela example lapha emayini bangifonele labanye bakhona bangitshela ukuthi siyabonga bayangadi ukuthi mina ngitithandzela yini lo ngitithandzela kona bakhonile ukungithengela kona lamakhekhe lawo ngitithandzela kona bathe siyabonga Godfrey kusinceda lapha eBarberton Mines kodwa nami ngeke ngithathe tandla ngitindlulise lihlombe lami but ngitandla ngiyadlulisa lihlombe for eBarberton Mines ukuthi ikhonile ukuthi silalele ukuthi siyacela kakhulu ukuthi isicela ibisele labantu base labe basebenda lapha emayini ukuthi babesele emsebentini angeke nje mina ngithathe le cream de la cream ngibeke enhloko yami yes
ngithi mangisakhuluma nebafowethu lohamba nabo ngaphandle ngathi mina ngibo bantu labasha labajoin ipolitiki lapha Baptini sikhula sathi makhehla boMandela nana even nale youth lese parliament uyayibona iyouth lenzala la so kubaleke ngani mhlambe thina abantu labasha ukuthi kufuna si join ipolitiki kumbe kufuna kube i-calling or nazi sifoneni ngimaka sishaye nge1 hour call then sesiya join
ngiphenze ngibonge futhi umlaleli lengifuna kukusho yabona sometimes ngidokwendela example mina mangena grade 1 there's this thing of but myself yes mina I once told myself ukuthi ngifuna kuba a pilot then if you ask me about a pilot now I will never tell you about what is a pilot a pilot vuka ngibita kabi ngithi pilot yakhona angiyadi le ndo pilot ukuthi yini but I was doing that thing because I wanted my marks ukuthi ngitothola 10/10 yabona but what I can advise you about ngokuthi joining in politics mina kungincede kakhulu nje ukujoina ipolitiki angifuni ukukhuluma manga so lengaku-advise ukuthi nawe joina ipolitiki angisho ukuthi joina yipi political party but joina ipolitiki udokhona nawe ukubona letinye izinto udokhona kuvuleka ingqondo especially this thing of ibuya emjindi udokhona we-understand because you have joined politics bantu labaningi la emhlabeni esiphila kuwo manje it's about politics if you are not in politics I will never say if you are not in politics you will never ever succeed empilweni but kujoina ipolitiki kutokufundisa into letinenge letinye into kutokufundisa ukuthi even though bekumele ugibele isitimela ukuthi uyofika eGauteng but utogibela iCorolla Cross ukuthi yokufikisa within 2 hours eGauteng beyitakufikisa even 2 days
no ngicela sigibele kule ndzaba yasemsebentini because kunento lo ithashile ngibute I think councillor lifa number 1 useku EPWP labantu ababendi babe permanent so bengisabuda ukuthi mina lana lemisebenzi kani kude imisebenzi permanent because ihlale kuvela ama internship so kwendekani into lebayenda by choice ukuthi abafuni bantu babe permanent okwendekani
yabona le question loyibude nyalo thanks again yabona mlaleli lento ye-EPWP the reason that I'm saying Masipala must hire those people that are working under EPWP it's because labantu baka EPWP they've got experience and bantu labaningi especially young people they don't want to work under EPWP because they think that this 3.5 will never assist me but this thing of EPWP it will make you gain experience. Ask me about Guri Purifier man. I'm still working currently. I'm still working under EPWP. But I will tell you that Guri Purifier man ngandri purifier la nonge la mchindila. Inatse tisuti wet cool ngakuli. Yeah. Inatse man inwana senizunwa enjoy. Because I know I've learned this thing under the program of EPWP.
Yeah.
So that's the reason that I'm saying mawuqasha bantu lapha kamasipala accommodate those people that are working under EPWP because the young people that are behind our backs they will see that EPWP iyanceda but mawulanza umuntu lohleli ekhaya longadi ukuthi what is water, what is chlorine, what is this thing of a sanitation. Of course the problem because it don't block a drain lapha eWard 45 especially lapha eWard 45 because this problem of masimba lagcwele lapha estradini. But uma uthatha mina ngingakwadi ukuthi especially when example ngamasista mina uyongifaka lapha ukuthi angincede labantu la masimba angwathi nokuthi adloko lotwa ngenduku lenjani.
Ngiyakho.
Angathi ukuthi mina into lonto yena lo uqala into yena lapha eWard 45 ndofaka sifonyo. Nofaka sifonyo cause Masimba I don't know ukuthi Masimba kokuqala nje kuzanga kunukeli funa udla ichepisi lenjani.
Yeah.
So that is the problem that I'm having. Prioritize labantu labasebenza ngawo la Masimba labahola 3.5.
Yeah.
Labahola 3.5 because they know ukuthi okay Masimba makakake wesidudla.
Yeah.
Wathina kanjani makakake silenda wathina kanjani but mawulanza mina ngakwathi uthi Masimba anjani sa atlinwa kanjani. You will have a problem. You will see that you will find out that lo masipala awunayo service delivery because ulanze mina angathi mina Masimba kusadla kodwa ngenduku lenjani.
Yes.
Igama le Mangcoliso.
Mangcoliso futhi.
Yes.
Leyogcina le ngafuna ukubita la kulento yemisebenzi. Uthe ulwa ne corruption. Ubeke sasibonela ukuthi mhlambe icashwa 13 bantu. Le 13 lekufuna kucashwa kutothathwa 3 la mshindi I corruption kumbe kwendekani mabomu ngafuna ukufaka under sithi ngoba kwendeke angathi since ngimeasure nembumbela because ngifuna ukuva le 10 mayito qhamuka ngaphandle icashwe 3 labalana labala cashwa labane ema position ngibo lapha cashwa le 10 kwendakala.
Thanks again amlaleli ndophinza ngibeke kahle direct mina ngithanda le nto yokufihlwa yabona because lokufihla ngiko lokubangela le corruption iyanze kakhulu ukhukhumukalise labo MEC nalabo whoever labo HR wathi bakhukumukalise tiso sine sonze la emjini.
Okay.
Ndophinza ngibeke ngale nto yaka public works ba advertise ukuthi kudzingeka abantu from emjini 13.
Yeah.
And then we found out ukuthi kucashwe 3 abantu la emjini. Labanye baqhamuka kuhlazatshe. Ngikhuluma nje nginemoto lengipake lapha ngaphandle lapha. Umuntu wasenhlazatshe utowati lapha ma potholes ukuthi sinawo kuphi.
Okay, yeah.
But icasha umuntu olamjini utokutshela ukuthi hey Ward 45 sinel pothole elingagamula liRemil 17. But umuntu wasenhlazatshe akade ukuthi lipothole lingakuphi. Into labayatiko bangabacasha abantu basenhlazatshe batobuya la mjini laba bayebohlala lapha ema officeini lapha bacumbeze tiso balale. Yabona mina nje la emjini la bantu baka public works angifuni ukumention amagama abantu ngathi 3 abantu abasebenzako la. Le truck leya uyibona sometimes into labayatiko basisa le truck leya bafake petrol bahambe botilale emakhaya yabo. Yabona but ngicela ukuthi mina unginikete le chance ukuthi ucashe abantu bala emjini la. Sibona ukuthi sitoba ne problem ema potholes na. If we are going to have a problem ema potholes la emjini then ask me again ungitshele ukuthi hayi no Godfrey Bonemanga abantu bala emjini abawufuna umsebenzi. Ba awusubazame icala because mina ngikhumbula kwami ucashwa kwabantu la ka public works wagcina 2011. But each and every year public works we advertise and bantu basemjini always baya prioritize la njani sana kulama vacancies. But you'll find out that kucashwa 3 abantu because they are connected nabo tiso letikhulu somewhere somehow.
Mavo gcina longa uthanza ke kuwadlulisa ke la ke kubahlali basemjini.
Ndophenza ngithi isho igama lami futhi again. Igama lami ngingodfrey wakamkhonto Sibongo problem child labaningi bangathi ngakhansela. Abantu basemjini lengifuna kuna advisor kuko ukuthi asivukeni sonke sibe together siyekele kulwa la mjini sidume ngebugebengu sidume ngetibhamu ukuthi masilala ngesibhamu masivuka sivusa sibhamu. Ngicela ukuthi abantu basemjini sihlukane nalento lena silwe nale distinct of umsebenzi sifundzeni kusupportana whoever labam electile wherever in that higher position lekhona simsupporteni loyo muntu loyo. For example nje nyalo ngidobeke example ngasiyabonga malanduli wherever la khona simsupporteni simnikeni I chance leso sikhathi leso latho siphatha ngaso simkhuthathe naye ukuthi hey sicela ukuthi phela lo mdzala usiphathe kahle nawo lapho kubonakala ukuthi phela sibantu basemjini nathi sifuna impumelelo. Yabona sikhona nathi ukuthi sisebende sikhona nathi ukuthi sibe sidudla kubhlungu abantu basemjini kubonakala nje sizace kanje asizacisana ngoba siyathanda abantu baze basikhuluma kabi bathi sidla ama treatment asidla ama treatment sizaciswa ngoba sisebendi. Ngiloko lengifuna ukusho abantu basemjini.
Yes Domnaketfu kwazi nje ke la ke uNkulunkulu angaqhubeka njalo ke asicinele wena uchubeke njalo ke ubalwele abantu basemjini ke la ke.